Hello and welcome back to my channel. I have another unboxing video for you today. This is the third one, and if you haven't seen the first two, then I'll be linking them up in the eye above. These unboxings are not sponsored in any way, but I do get the question quite often, where do I buy my rough rocks for tumbling? And these unboxing videos are an opportunity to show you, one, which suppliers I've used and what quality the packaging for shipping is and how they come packed and what they look like right out of the box. And you may be wondering, if you've watched a couple of these recently, like, does she really buy that much rock all the time? No, I don't. Actually, I'm doing a lot of planning for 2020. I know what I want to tumble throughout the year. I'm looking for some things that are less common, and I have some wholesale accounts, and I really want to take advantage of that. So basically this is a big stockpile for 2020. So yeah, I don't buy like these huge shipments like every week. I do have another shipment that's coming in. I thought it would make it here for this video, but nope, that's okay, because this particular order for this video was so big it came in 2 boxes. So I've got a lot to show you today. So this vendor is Hausen Rock Treasures Wholesale. So that means that I have a wholesale account with them. So if you have a rock related business of any sort, maybe you have an Etsy store, something like that, you can apply for a wholesale account and you'll get lower prices. But yeah, this was again, as in some of the other videos, these came in priority mail, and they're shipped really well. The other box is bigger and it's going to be a pain to lift, so yay! Here's our box for today. Let's see what's in here. All right. The link for Hausen Rock Treasures will be in the description below. Really don't want to cut myself on video. Okay, box opened. Oh, it's a box within a box, so it's packed really well. Oh wait, okay, let's try this again. I'm impressed. They got that box within a box. It's packed really nice. Rocks were not going to be falling out of these boxes. Okay. Opened. Not newspaper. Oh wait, here's the newspaper. Okay. This is how the rocks are packed. So I'm going to have to open each little packet. It's like Christmas, to show you what's in it. Oh. Okay. Well, this will be interesting. Because I'm going to have to eyeball these. This is how it comes. This is called Midnight Lace Obsidian, and it is supposed to have this kind of lacy pattern inside. It's kind of, you could see at the top, it's a little translucent. So it's really pretty, but okay, this will be interesting. Okay, there's one piece. Like, all the rocks seem to be packed individually, so I'm gonna have to then bag these up. More Midnight Lace Obsidian. Interesting. Okay. Okay, maybe they're not all like that. All right. But they're not labeled very... Okay, this is Blue Tiger's Eye. So this is Hawk's Eye, Blue Tiger's Eye, right here. 1 pound. Okay. Oh. And, okay, this must be the last bit. Man, these are huge pieces. Okay, this is my last bit of Midnight Lace Obsidian. Wow, those really do look like glass. Okay, what is this? I ordered from Hausen Rock Treasures because they have a lot of unusual rocks, and I'm looking for things that are a little different. And so this must be, this is 3 pounds of blue tiger's eye. So I have 4 pounds of blue tiger's eye total. Wow, these are really slender pieces. They're really slim. Okay. And then the last bit in this box is another piece of that obsidian. So this doesn't look as translucent, but I'm assuming that it's the same thing. So that's all together. All right. Oh, that was the first box. Now I've got a big mess around me. Here's the second box. Super heavy. Okay. Is this, no, this is not a box within the box, but you've got, all right, get all the newspaper out. All right, here we go. It's like Christmas. Now, I know I ordered some silver sheen obsidian in here too. Okay, so this is, like silver-eyed serpentine or crystallite. So I'm going to be doing some organizing after this. Looks like a lot of this stuff is going to be have to be chiseled up. Here's more of the serpentine. Oh, I'm getting rock dust everywhere. So, oop. Okay, I'm losing some pieces here. But this is more of the serpentine, the crystallite, and I've got little chunks of that all throughout this box. Okay. Okay, another piece. Okay. Oh, wow. I really didn't expect this to be packaged quite like this. I mean, but I ordered a pound of malachite, and here it is. This is my malachite. Okay, I'll put that aside because it's really pretty. This is a nice shimmery batch. I mean, here is a piece. I'll put that aside. Oh, I've got just 1 pound of that, just enough to put in my little barrel. I think this is polychrome jasper. Okay, just 1 second. I'm gonna turn my heater off because that's making extra noise. Right back. Now, this is not the only vendor I buy from that kind of puts things together, kind of like big chunks. This is Dragon's Blood Jasper. More Dragon's Blood Jasper. There are vendors that send me just big chunks of rock wrapped in newspaper that I know I have to chisel up, but that's what I expect coming from them, so I wasn't sure what to expect because this is the first time I've purchased from Hausen Rock Treasures. So more Dragon's Blood Jasper, which often gets confused with bloodstone. Those are 2 very different stones. Okay, more polychrome jasper, nice little chunky of it. More polychrome jasper. Okay, what is this? More Dragon's Blood jasper. Dragon's Blood Jasper. Got little piles of rock going on. Oh, this is more of the serpentine. Crystallite. I think this is the dendritic agate. Yeah, more dendritic agate. Now, I ordered from Hausen really because, oh man, more of that crystallite. Ah, I've got pieces everywhere. I'm going to be sweeping up pieces of that crystallite forever now. Okay, I ordered from Hausen because they have the Dragon's Blood Jasper and they have some other types. I think this is more of the dendritic agate. Yeah, I can see from right there. Some unusual stuff that I wanted to, oh, more of this crystallite. I mean, I only ordered 4 pounds, but I got lots of little chunks here. More of crystallite. More polychrome. More dendritic agate. More dendritic agate. So my concern here is that, okay, here we go. Here we go. It just answers it. I ordered silver sheen obsidian, and I think this is it, because they didn't label the difference between the two. So this should be all my silver lace, or silver sheen obsidian. More crystallite. I'll be tumbling that forever. Okay. Silver sheen obsidian. It's interesting. It's, maybe this is the midnight lace. Yeah, I can see that banding. I don't know if you see that banding in there. It looks kind of lacy. But if that's that, that's interesting. I will have to look at them both, because I definitely ordered silver sheen obsidian and then this midnight lace obsidian. And here's more obsidian, but I honestly can't tell between the two. And I know what silver sheen obsidian looks like, and it doesn't look apparent here. More obsidian. And then I have one last little bit of obsidian. Now this is clearly the silver sheen obsidian, because you can see that right there. Okay. So, yeah, I'm concerned that they packed my really expensive malachite like they did, because I can see little bits of it in the bottom of the box, and you know, you pay for the weight. I was kind of hoping that it would actually be in a plastic bag. And you know, they didn't label the difference between the midnight lace obsidian, and if I wasn't able to eyeball this better, then I probably wouldn't know. But I could tell the midnight lace is a little bit translucent from their description online. And I have one little piece here that is clearly silver sheen. So, but these other big pieces of obsidian just look like plain obsidian. So, oh, okay, I can see right here in this chunk the silver sheen. All right. Okay, well, let me check my packing slip to make sure that I got everything that I ordered. Midnight lace, serpentine, silver sheen obsidian, malachite, polychrome, Hawkseye, Dragon's Blood, Dendritic Agate. Yep, I got everything that I ordered. The prices were super reasonable, actually. Super, super reasonable. Regular charge shipping. So all in all, I am pleased with what I got. But I do have to do more organizing. I have to put all of this in bags and label it myself. And, you know, I really wish they would have packed the malachite better. But all in all, I would order from them again. I just know in my mind I know what to expect when I unpack the boxes now. So thank you for joining me in this unboxing. It was an interesting little adventure digging through these and unwrapping every single one like it's Christmas Day. So if you are new to the channel and you haven't subscribed and you are interested in rock tumbling or rocks and crystals in general, then make sure to hit the subscribe button and you'll see whenever I post a new gemstone video. So thank you for supporting me through this transition, because things in my life are changing a little bit and I get to focus a little bit more on rock tumbling, and I will see you again soon.